This is the all-new 2024 Lexus GX. We have a first look from the world premiere right now on Driving Sports TV. Based on the international Land Cruiser Prado, the Lexus GX has long been a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts here in the States. The reason is simply because it packs a ridiculous amount of capability into a mid-size SUV package. For 2024, Lexus is doubling down on the GX as a rugged and ready luxury SUV, with overland styling and a powerful new engine. This is the all-new Lexus GX550. At launch, the primary engine will be a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6, producing a peak 340 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. This gives the GX a solid towing capacity of 8,000 pounds. Full-time four-wheel drive comes courtesy of a lockable Torsen center differential. Based on the global body-on-frame GAF platform shared with the Lexus LX600 and global Land Cruiser products, the new chassis provides more rigidity for improvements in on- and off-road handling. Multi-link suspension in the back and available adaptive variable shocks assure a solid ride on the pavement. Adventure enthusiasts will want one of the new Overtrail trims, like we show here. This trim level equips the GX with a rockstar list of off-road features: 33-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch wheels, MTS and crawl control systems, 3D multi-terrain monitor, and a new EKDSS suspension system that allows for increased articulation. There's also a rear locking differential. The interior has also been thoroughly revised for this new GX, with a larger 14-inch multimedia system running the latest Lexus software. 3-row trims are also available, so there's room for the whole family. When Lexus launched its all-new LX600 and Toyota came out with the new Sequoia, I was a bit disappointed. They just missed the mark. Both also lacked a lot of the Land Cruiser goodness I wanted in a flagship SUV. But this new GX might have just righted all of those wrongs. I won't know for sure until I drive it later this year, but in terms of looks and features, I think Lexus really nailed it. And since the GX is also the basis for the Toyota 4Runner, I think it says great things about what we can expect in that upcoming revision. For the GX, pricing, economy, and packages will be announced at a later date. There will also be a hybrid option, but no specifics on that yet. We'll have more information later this year. For Driving Sports TV, I'm Ryan Douthit in Austin, Texas. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you again real soon.